Welcome to the third program in the Basic Hand Tool series, in which you are going to learn about pliers and gripping tools. Many components or objects are difficult to hold, twist or bend by hand, and for this reason, a variety of tools have been designed to assist workers perform otherwise impossible tasks. Perhaps the most popular and useful plier type is the engineer's pliers. These pliers can be used to grip and twist flat objects. They can also be used to grip round objects. Soft wire can be cut using the side cutting edge, and hard wire is cut using the joint cutting edge. For electrical work, the handles are often insulated to help prevent accidental shock when working on high voltage equipment. These diagonal cutting nippers are extremely useful tools, especially in electrical work, where they are used to make neat cuts through soft wire. The so-called long nose pliers are popular with TV, radio and electronic technicians. The primary use of long nose pliers is for holding delicate, hard-to-reach components during repair work. They also provide a handy heat sink when soldering is to be done. Certain retainers known as CIRCLIPs are used to hold rotating components in position. The need to remove or fit CIRCLIPs calls for special CIRCLIP pliers. Internal CIRCLIP pliers are used to compress CIRCLIPs, whereas external CIRCLIP pliers are used to expand a CIRCLIP. Notice the spring contained in this external type. Commonly used by most artisans are these so-named water pump pliers. These useful tools have many gripping and turning applications. The long handles allow for a powerful grip at the jaws, plus a good leverage for turning tight fittings. The adjustable jaw widths provide for the fitting over a large range of object sizes. Next is the very useful gripping tool known almost universally as a vice grip. However, this is a trade name of the popular American invention. The true name of the tool is a clamp grip, but different manufacturers use different names. No matter what its name, this remarkable tool is used for very positive gripping of most objects. Jaw widths are easily adjusted to suit varying workpiece thicknesses, and a positive and powerful grip is applied by the overlocking handles, allowing you to use both hands for other work. A simple lever action then releases the tool's grip. The final gripping tool we shall be discussing is the pipe wrench, often known as a monkey wrench. The main use of the pipe wrench is for the fitting of thick wall, water, steam or gas pipes. All of the tools so far mentioned will be commonly used by most tradesmen. Other more specialized pliers and grips will be discussed in future programs when their application is required. After the break, you will learn about safety and care of pliers and gripping tools.